Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is the final review of the Xiaomi 12. The phone is very small. I'm going to give you a comparison of some phones that I have next to it, and you can see here this is the Realme X2 Pro. It's actually too big, as you can see. This is the Win 3. Where is the other stuff, man? So this is the GBD Win 3. It's kind of very competitive version. So it's thinner and it's smaller in size when it comes to the how tall it is and how width or how wide it is. So it's actually very a nice size phone, to be honest with you. So if you actually like to have a lightweight, it's 180 grams too. So it's very good on the hand. Now when it comes to the size and hardware, it's amazing. 10 out of 10, guys. When it comes to the software though, I'm still thinking about some bugs and some really hard to do with this software. Xiaomi actually is struggling a little bit with the software, so I would advise you to get used to it. Sometimes I will give you an example. Like if I scroll down now, let me just close this stuff here. Okay, so for example, this is the notifications, right? Now when I just go here and I scroll left and right, maybe up and down, left and right, you see, if I just do a little bit of left and right, it goes up, sometimes it goes down. I don't know, maybe there's some other, see, some, so it has some issues with the touch. A little bit need works to update the touch screen, especially on the edges. Sometimes I get mistouch with the edge. That becomes the software with the Xiaomi. Other than that, the phone is amazing. If you can deal with the software, you'll be happy. But if you actually are gonna struggle with the software and face a lot of issues, I would advise you to avoid this phone and get something else other than Xiaomi's software. Maybe get other like Android, like for example Oppo software, Realme, Oppo, Vivo software is pretty good. They are pretty good when it comes to the software. Now they're catching up with the hardware, of course. But yeah, this is just a quick review on the Xiaomi Mi 12. In my case, as I told you, software wise, just avoid it. But if you're okay with the software, buggy software just like that, but when it comes to the hardware, it's really good. Other than that, the phone is great. The camera are good. I just already posted some videos on the camera. This is just a quick wrap up with the phone. And do you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, guys, and see you later.